Alright, so since the dogs can't go to the pond when there's ice on it, we spent this summer enclosing the side yard completely so that they can come out. There's our gate from the yard, and then it spans across there. There's the entrance over there to the dog park or the pond area. And of course it comes down along here. This is also the area that the horses go from the front pasture to the back pasture, so it is dog friendly and horse friendly. Well, we're going to see if it's dog friendly. We're going to let the dorks out, and that includes Jack, who is our biggest escape artist. It comes along here to the back of the kennel area. And there's the gate that goes to the back pasture. And here's the back door to the kennels. And unfortunately, Miss Ellie doesn't get to come out. She's not very happy looking. Sky either right now. You guys can wait next time. So, here's the dorks coming through the building. And out they come. Hi Opie. Hi Mika. Hi Scrappy. Hi Bonnie. And Luke. You should be nice. Of course, Luke takes off running. He's got to check out the whole thing. Misha's going to try to go down to the pond, but the pond's not open. So maybe Luke is our next escaped artist. This gives them a chance to come out, do some major running around. And hopefully we'll be able to bring everybody out here at some point. Today, not so much. Jack must be napping. So we're going to see how everybody does. Make sure there's no holes. And thank you to Mom and Jaden for helping. And Teresa and Steve for bringing the dogs to the pond while we're working on it. That'd be it. We'll let you know.